Hey, what's up you guys, it's me earthoverglory, and today I'm going to film a short review video for you guys about this beautiful lace front human hair wig. So I bought this wig on Aliexpress from the vendor Hop Beauty or Hop Beauty Supply. I'm sure it was Hop Beauty Supply, but I'm just going to put a link down below. And this is a curly lace front wig. It's 22 inches and I paid like 130 euros. Originally it was like 140, but I had some coupons and stuff, so it was 130. And on top of that, I bought it on the 3-day, I don't know what it was, where everything was on sale on AliExpress, so it was already a bit cheaper than it was originally. I think originally it was like 180, but I'm not quite sure. Yeah, I ordered it at the end of March, I guess, and it came 10 days after I placed the order, so that's pretty fast as well. So any other things? Yeah, the vendor is pretty nice, and the wig came in this box. Yeah, Hot Beauty, as I said. And in that box there was like this little gift, scarf thing here, which I find very beautiful. It's very soft as well. I haven't worn it yet. I've also worn a wig for like, I don't know, not that long, because I didn't dare to cut the lace at the beginning. I don't know, it's weird, but whatever. Like, gonna take my glasses off. So yeah, and also these two cards, a thank you card, which is pretty cute, and here reward for customers and stuff, but I haven't read it yet, this one, I'm sorry. But there's also a little how to care for your human hair extensions, so that's also pretty nice. Yes, so when I got it, I cut the lace, and it said it's a pre-plucked, but I kind of didn't see that. And also I'm going to try and add some baby hairs to it, and also kind of pluck it a little bit more, because you probably can tell it's not that perfectly plucked, doesn't look that natural. I also, like I said before, I don't like to glue it down, but this time I didn't have like these, I don't know how you call it, like these things I sew on the wig to secure it down, so I had to use the got-to-be glue. But I don't know, sometimes I just don't use it because I mostly wear hats and beanies, and yeah. So the wig comes with 4 combs, like one on here, because the lace goes like until here, and then there's a comb on these 2 sides and in the back. And the comb in the middle here was kind of loose. It wasn't as fixed as it should be, but I also never used that one, so I didn't really care. And the great thing about this wig is it already came with a strap. Like, I'm going to show it in a picture, obviously, because I can't really explain it, but the thing that most people have to sew on, it came with it. Yeah. At first, when I opened the package, the wig had a kind of distinctive smell, like very chemical, so I had to wash it right away, and it didn't go away at the initial wash, so I had to wash it again. But yeah, it also feels a bit brittle, but I'm just going to put some conditioner on it, and hopefully that will fix it. Also, yeah, I'm going to dye it as well and flat iron it, so if you want to see that, just head over to my Instagram, or I will just upload another video. If you want to, just comment down below if you have any other questions as well, or just subscribe. Yeah, and it was also a bit too big. The wig in general was a bit too big for me, but well, what do I expect? Like, I don't know, I kind of don't really care about that. I don't measure my head and then search for a wig that fits. So that's probably my problem, my wrongdoing, I don't know. And I also like that the wig is not that heavy. Like, I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of very curly hair. Like, I like this water wave kind of thing. So this one isn't as wavy as I expected it to be, but I like it. And I also combed it out, so there are actually more curls on there. I will try and find a picture of me wearing the wig without combing it out, so I will just add pictures all over this video. And yeah, anything else? I don't know. I think that's kind of it. It's pretty short, I know, but I still have to add some baby hairs and plug it a bit, as I said. Also, I want to dye it and flat iron it, so yeah, it's, oh yeah, I forgot, it was a 250 density, I guess, but I'm not sure. I never had like a 250 density wig, so I can't really tell if it's 250, but I'm pretty content with the density of this one, because I've had a shorter human hair wig with a basic 130 density, I guess, and that one was way too thin for me. But this one has, like, this one is perfect, but usually I believe like 250 is too much, so I feel like people with 250 density wigs, it's kind of obvious that they're wearing wigs. So this one kind of, I don't know, I feel like this one is kind of okay, but not really 250, but I'm not sure. I don't know. So yeah, anything else? I'm just trying to think of everything. Like, I'm not trying to forget anything, but I think that's it, really. Like, it's a great wig, and the contact with the seller was also pretty nice. Her name was Helena, same name as mine, so it was kind of like, oh my god, we have the same name, and she didn't even kind of react to that. So I felt like, okay, sorry. But here, I also believe it's true to its length, like, it's pretty long. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. I just wanted to make this real quick because the weather is pretty great outside, so I'm planning to go outside, but I also felt like I have to do this video now, so I'm doing it. Yeah. I hope you liked this video. I hope you kind of enjoyed it, because it was really short. I feel like it was really short, but I hope you got the gist, like got the look of this wig, and kind of know, like, okay, gonna order this or not. So yeah, I hope you have a great day. Enjoy your Sunday. Ooh, there's a bee knocking on my window. Sorry. Yeah, that's it. Bye, guys.